Okay, this is 4.5b, solving exponential and logarithmic equations. I'm on example 5 on top of page 403. Alright, so here we go. We're going to solve this. Let's take away our negative exponent by writing this as 1 over e to the x power, subtract 6, equals 0. Now in order to combine all of these, or at least be able to figure out what in the world we're going to do, we need to have common denominators. Or one of the things we could do is, I guess probably the best thing to do would be to get rid of the fraction. So we're going to multiply the whole thing by e to the x power, our common denominator. Okay, so e to the x times e to the x is e to the 2x. Remember, when you are multiplying exponents, you add the exponent. This e to the x minus this is going to be e to the x over e to the x, so that'll be 1. Then we take this times this, which gives us negative 6e to the x equals 0. Okay. And this is where we go back to our handy-dandy cool little quadratic equation substitution thing. Let's first of all write this correctly. E to the 2x minus 6e to the x plus 1 equals 0. Now what if I said that u equals e to the x? And here's the clue how we knew that. I wanted u to be equal to whatever this middle variable was, because over here it's squared and over here it's gone. So if I can make my u equal to this in all cases, then that will make life better, because I've got e to the x. If I'm going to put a u in its place, that means this e to the x will be a u with a 2 on it. So this will give me e squared, or I'm sorry, not e, let's write that again, u squared minus 6u plus 1 equals 0. And I have to use quadratic, it won't factor, and when you do all the quadratic stuff, you will find out, and I'll leave that up to you since that's old stuff, u equals 3 plus or minus 2 times the square root of 2. That's what u equals. So that means that ex equals 3 plus or minus 2 square root of 2, right? Because they're equal to each other. Alright. So at this point, I'm still trying to find x, so all that we did before just got me to this place, to this math problem. So what I'm going to do is take the ln of both sides, because I'm trying to get rid of my e. Okay? ln e makes this go away, so x equals ln of 3 plus or minus 2 square root of 2. Okay? And if you continue on with that, you will end up getting an answer of 1.76 when you add 2 square root of 2, or 1.76 when you subtract the square root of 2. So what you're going to have to do here is take your calculator and go 3 plus 2 square root of 2, and then take the natural logarithm. 3 minus 2 square root of 2, take the natural logarithm to get your two answers there for x.